Where can I find reliable geometry tips for beginners? If you are just starting out in geometry and wondering where to find reliable tips, you are in the right place. Geometry can be a fun subject once you get the hang of it. Let's break down some great resources to help you learn. First, look for materials that cover the basic geometric elements. Understanding points, lines, line segments, rays, and planes is essential. A point represents a location with no size, while a line extends infinitely into directions. A plane is a flat surface that extends infinitely into dimensions. Next, familiarize yourself with angles and their types. There are acute angles, which are less than 90 degrees, right angles that are exactly 90 degrees, obtuse angles that fall between 90 and 180 degrees, and straight angles that are exactly 180 degrees. Knowing how angles are formed by rays meeting at a vertex will help you visualize shapes better. Triangles and polygons are also key concepts. Study different types of triangles, including equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. For polygons, learn about shapes with multiple sides and how to calculate their properties, such as side lengths and angle measures. Understanding midpoints and bisectors is another important aspect. The midpoint divides a line segment into two equal parts, while a bisector is a line or segment that cuts another segment or angle into two equal parts. You will also want to learn about postulates and theorems. These foundational rules and proven statements help solve geometry problems and understand relationships between shapes. Practical applications are everywhere. You can solve problems involving shape properties, calculate areas and perimeters, and understand spatial relationships. Good beginner resources often include clear definitions, diagrams, and step-by-step explanations. Look for materials that also provide practice problems to reinforce your learning. You can find reliable tips in several places. Online guides dedicated to geometry basics explain points, lines, angles, polygons, and proofs in simple terms. Educational videos introduce geometry concepts visually, helping you identify and work with shapes and angles. Introductory textbooks or websites start with fundamental terms and gradually build up to more complex topics like congruence and geometric proofs. By focusing on these foundational ideas and using resources that break down the information clearly, you can build a solid understanding of geometry. This will allow you to confidently progress to more advanced topics.